Welcome to CNC Old Timer. I'm a machinist, toolmaker, CNC programmer, CAD/CAM designer with over 45 years of experience. On this channel, I share practical CNC machining knowledge, Fanuc macro programming, workshop tips, and the kind of tricks you only learn after decades on the shop floor. No nonsense, no flashy gimmicks, just real machining knowledge from an old timer who spent a lifetime making things work. Subscribe and join me as we explore CNC milling, CNC turning, macro programming, CAD/CAM machining tips, and practical engineering solutions. Welcome to CNC Old Timer. Thank you.